Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West Court sent Phairoijam Robinson to judicial custody after he was in police custody for 7 days. Robinson is one of the suspects in the mysterious death of Ningthaujam Babysana. The Special Investigation Team pleaded the court to send Robinson to judicial custody, stating that further investigation into the case was necessary, following which the court sent him to judicial custody till August 19. Meanwhile, a large number of Khairamban market women vendors protested in the market area near the court complex as Phairoijam Robinson was produced before the court. They demanded the government to find out the fact and circumstances surrounding the death of Babysana. A scuffle ensued between women protesters and COP, who later used smoke bombs to disperse them. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization organized its 9th Foundation Day at lamjingbatomtv, Imphal today. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Syam, President of SECO, Kolomcha Achobi Khuman, and Convener of Act East Policy attended the function as chief guest, president and guest of honor respectively. Minister Karam Syam highlighted on the importance of the role of SECO in preserving the indigenous culture and tradition of Manipur. People in Manipur continue to bear the brunt of shortage of water due to scanty rainfall this season. Khundrapam constituency MLA Thokchom Lokeshwar extended help to the farmers of Yumnam Patlo. It has been evident that the Dolai Thabi barrage remains inoperable. It may be mentioned that Manipur Chief Minister had announced that the barrage was fully functional. Even though the barrage is complete, the canal construction is yet to be finished, local sources said. Manipur Minister T.H. Biswajit stated that we are facing the brunt of climate change because we have failed to take up the initiative launched in 1960 to plant 3 trees when 1 tree is cut down. The tree plantation program was held under Green India Green Manipur mission. Officials of Manipur Trade and Commerce, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, LICLA, and various entrepreneurs who took part in the program planted around 600 saplings at Trade and Expo Center, Lamboi, Khongnangkhong.